Sa British Columbia, isang Filipino-Canadian naman ang tinig sa likod ng mga national anthem na kinakanta tuwing may laro ang soccer team, Vancouver Whitecaps. Kilalanin siya sa report na ito.
This sounds like bad advice, but please heed this. If there's anything you love more, just a fraction more, do that instead because there is a lot of hurt in growing in this industry.
Ito raw ang mapapayo ni Ariel Tuliao, isang singer kung saan ang boses maririnig sa ilang palabas gaya na lamang ng animated series My Little Pony. Sa ngayon si Tuliao, abala sa pagiging national anthem singer sa mga laro ng Whitecaps sa Vancouver.
Back then, we would have a karaoke machine and everyone would take turns singing on it. I'm talking about like the big gatherings. And I was like 6 maybe, and they'd be like, AJ, go sing. It was like a bonding thing for us.
Maliit pa lang daw siya, iniengganyo na silang magpipinsan na kumanta sa mga family reunion. Nag-sponsor pa nga raw ang lola nila ng singing lessons para sa bonding nila. Nang maglaon, naging bahagi siya ng choir sa high school at inaral niya ang pag-arte sa kolehiyo.
Things are just kind of falling into the place they need it. Like God is just setting it up in a way that I can do both things.
Naging kaibigan niya ang Asian-Canadian singer na si Marie Hui na nag-ugnay daw sa kanya sa Whitecaps.
So she asked me to sub in. And that was my very, very first time singing the national anthem for the Whitecaps. This is over 10 years ago now, I think. And I've just been lucky enough that they've kept me on.
Noong umpisa, tila naging lucky charm daw siya ng Whitecaps.
I used to like keep a tally of like, hey, this game I sang it and they won. This game I sang it and they won. And I felt like I'm the good luck charm.
Nang maglaon, mas nadama raw niya ang fulfillment sa pangunguna sa pag-awit at pagtaas ng bandila ng Canada.
When I feel I've done a great job when I can really hear the crowd singing along. And I feel that if the crowd is singing along and everyone's like feeling that Canadian pride that I feel, I hope that inspires the team to play well.
Bukod sa Whitecaps, kakanta rin daw siya sa ilang events gaya ng Monster Jam sa Vancouver.
It's going to be super fun and super loud. If you're planning on attending that event, do bring earplugs and protect your hearing.